at the side of a busy road. How I'm crawling for a worthy goal. At least I'm not alone in my empathy. There's more like me who don't know how to be, how to.
Okay, guys, so we're at Chick-fil-A drive-thru. Don't worry, like.
So I'm not on green.
Okay, go sit down. Yeah, we're at Chick-fil-A because we wanted to get something to eat because then we're gonna go to Hobby Lobby. It's in the same parking lot as here, so I let her get out of her seat because we're just gonna drive through. So yeah, we're gonna get some food. I'm starving, and then we're gonna go inside and shop. So we just left Hobby Lobby. We're gonna go to Michael's right now.
New stuffy.
Yes. Go put your seatbelt on, please.
What?
We're gonna go to Michael's, check out their wedding stuff. I liked Hobby Lobby's a little bit. They didn't really have like that much that I really like loved.
I love Hobby Lobby too.
We're gonna go look at Michael's and see what they have. I do like Hobby Lobby because they have more discounts. Like Michael's rarely has any discounts. So yeah, we're gonna go there real quick, and it's like right across the street. So we're in the bridal section at Michael's. Their stuff's so much better. So I think we're gonna hold on. Madison, I'm talking. Are these the right plates? Cake plates. Oh yeah, so these are $20.99. And so I'm gonna use my 40% off coupon for this. And then I got this white cup because I'm gonna put like bride to be on it.
How do you like the white cup?
Oh, that's a pretty cute guest book.
Oh,
flower girl. Hey Madison, can you please leave that? Maddie, I'll make you a cup, okay?
oh, this cup. Down this cat.
Favorite bags. What is this?
Oh, we have that cup.
No.
It's so cute though.
Maddie, just put it back. I'll make you one. They have so much cute stuff. Like this. It's super cute. Like this garter right there.
What's that?
So I think this is all I'm gonna get from today. I'll probably come back tomorrow and get like that.
Mom, are we done?
I'll probably get that tomorrow.
Mommy, are we done? Because we're going home.
Hold on, we're almost done. So I just got done shopping at Michael's, and now I'm about to go to my mom's house. I do want to see, I think I'll wait till tomorrow to see if David Bridal has the bag I want, but I think you have to make an appointment for it. I don't know. Maybe I'll go see real quick, since we're over here. Might as well, right? But yeah, so I got that little cake thingy I was telling y'all about. And I'm super excited for that. That's so dang cute. So, no luck at David's Bridal. I'm actually going to head out right now. I don't want to start looking at dresses until I lose a little bit of weight. Like, not a lot, but like, you know, like, I just want to at least try to lose weight. And I'll probably start looking at dresses like the end of summer, I guess. Yeah, I'll probably start looking at dresses like maybe like the end like of summer, middle of summer, yeah, June, August, September, I'll probably get a dress like in October.
Can we go to Target?
No. The reason that being because I just don't know, like what if I gain more weight and then I'll have to take the dress back, and I just don't want that to happen, so I'd rather do it later than sooner, if that makes sense. But yeah, so I just don't want to rush into getting a dress. Like, I want it to, like, look and browse, you know? Okay, guys, it's been many hours later. I want to show you real quick what I got for Maddie. So I got her this huge set from LOL. It was originally $128. I got it for $34.
And then one's
at Target. Yep. Okay. Then I went to Michael's today. Like I told you, I got this I do his and her forks and plates for when we cut the cake.
My arm is weird.
Yeah. And then I got this little template, so when I send out like mailers and stuff, I can use this.
Also, you forgot this too.
I told you to be quiet. I got Maddie that little squishy.
Yeah.
My sister Monique, we also went to Home Goods and she got me these two things. It's like, it smells really good. It's just a home fragrance. I also got this from Hobby Lobby, which is, it's just a fine chalk marker. And then this save the date sign. Also for Michael's, I got this white tumbler, which you guys seen earlier. And I'm just going to customize this to my liking.
Because Mommy and me is going to share.
Yep. And then I got cleansing wipes. It's for your cell phone, computer, all that stuff.
Yep, me and Mom's going to share with my two computer.
So I got those. And then I got this new mug. It says Morning Sunshine.
And then you forgot this.
Oh, yeah. And then Maddie got
cats.
Oh, and I got this cute little reusable bag. Isn't that cute? I had to switch cameras real quick. 1 second. Okay. Anyways, Josh and I are going to be going to dinner tonight with each other. Maddie's at my mom's house, so I got a sitter, which is amazing. God, my hair's like super knotted. I'm super excited to go to dinner tonight. I'm just going to straighten a little bit of my hair, not too much. I'm honestly going to get a haircut this weekend because I need one so bad. But yeah, so we're going to go to dinner. I don't know where yet. We haven't really discussed where we're going to go. But yeah, I'm just going to put my hair in a bun though. But I'm just going to straighten like the top part of it so it doesn't look like super nappy. And I also have to get my nails done too this weekend because they're so outgrown. They keep getting caught onto my hair. It's like the worst part.
Reach out to the open arms. How to reach out to the open arms. Blue sky is turning red, and I don't know if it's forbidden or beautiful. Yeah, blue sky is turning red, and I don't know, should I be scared or grateful? How can I see the beautiful? Broken from the start, I am nothing more than roses at the side of a busy road. I'm crawling for a worthy goal. I can see I'm not alone in my empathy. There are ghosts all around and they're telling me I should reach out to the open arms. How to reach out to the open arms. Open arms. Blue skies turning red, and I don't know if it's forbidden or beautiful. Yeah, blue
Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get dressed and then we're gonna head out. So I'll see you in a bit. So we have to reserve a table because the wait's 35 minutes. So we're at dinner right now. And we got our chips and salsa and that, I don't know what that is. So excited! So I'm gonna show you guys real quick before I get into the shower what I got from Ulta as far as shampoo wise. I'll show you the rest tomorrow. Because I don't feel like pulling these back out of the shower once I show you my haul. But I got the Redken Extreme Length shampoo with biotin, and then I also got the Redken Extreme Length conditioner, and then Extreme Mega Mask. So I'm super excited for all three of these, and I really hope I can see a difference when I do, you know, use this often. So yeah, I just want to show you guys, these were 25 each. Yeah, 25 each I believe. So it's definitely pricey, but hopefully worth it.